Hello friends. In this video, we will explore verbs, the words that show actions or states.
Happy Teacher's Day to all teachers who inspire, and best wishes to all students learning.
A verb shows what someone does, like runs, or a state of being, like is happy. Verb वो word है जो action बताता है, जैसे runs, या state बताता है, जैसे is happy. In the first example, runs is the verb because it shows the action she is doing. दूसरे example में he is happy, यहाँ is verb state को show कर रहा है. These are common verbs that show actions or states, like run, eat, sing, and is. In this sentence, play is the verb because it shows what they are doing. दूसरे sentence में is sleeping verb है क्योंकि ये baby की action को show करता है. Verbs are action, linking, helping, transitive, intransitive, regular, irregular, and modal types. Action verbs show what someone does, like running, eating, or thinking. Action verbs वो verbs हैं जो action दिखाते हैं, जैसे run, eat, think. Example 1, in this sentence, runs is the verb because it shows her action. जैसे दूसरे example में, he writes a letter, यहाँ writes verb action दिखा रहा है. Linking verbs show a subject state or condition, like is, am, are, was. Linking verbs वो verbs हैं जो subject को state या condition से जोड़ते हैं. Example 1, in this sentence, is the verb because it shows her state. जैसे दूसरे example में, they were excited, यहाँ वह verb state को show कर रहा है. Helping verbs assist main verbs, like has, have, will, can, to form tenses. Helping verbs main verb की मदद करते हैं, जैसे has, have, will, can. Example 1, in this sentence, has helps the main verb, finished, to form present perfect tense. Second example में, they will come tomorrow, यहाँ will main verb को future tense में मदद कर रहा है. Transitive verbs act on an object, like eat an apple or write a letter. Transitive verbs वो action verbs हैं जो direct object पर action दिखाते हैं. Example 1, in this sentence, reads is transitive because it acts on the object, book. जैसे दूसरे example में, he painted the wall, यहाँ painted verb wall पर action दिखा रहा है. Intransitive verbs do not act on an object, like sleep, run, go, or arrive. Intransitive verbs वो verbs हैं जो object नहीं लेते, जैसे sleep, run, go. Example 1, in this sentence, sleeps is intransitive because it has no object. जैसे दूसरे example में, the baby cries loudly, यहाँ cries verb action दिखा रहा है बिना object. Regular verbs form past tense by adding ed, like play played, walk walked. Regular verbs वो verbs हैं जो past tense में ed जोड़कर बनते हैं, जैसे play played. Example 1, in this sentence, played is a regular verb showing past action. जैसे दूसरे example में, he walked to school, यहाँ walked verb past action दिखा रहा है. Irregular verbs have unique past forms, like go went, eat ate, write wrote. Irregular verbs वो verbs हैं जिनकी past tense अलग होती है, जैसे go went, eat ate. Example 1, in this sentence, went is an irregular verb showing past action. जैसे दूसरे example में, she ate an apple, यहाँ ate verb past action दिखा रहा है. Modal verbs show possibility or ability, like can, could, may, might, must. Modal verbs वो auxiliary verbs हैं जो possibility, ability, permission या obligation दिखाते हैं. Example 1, in this sentence, can is a modal verb showing ability. जैसे दूसरे example में, you must finish your homework, यहाँ must obligation दिखा रहा है.